Clap for yourself. That's it. It's all done now. Clap for yourself. You've done really well, isn't it? Well done. Good morning, guys. You guys have finally seen my face. Come on. What's up? How ya doing? Right, guys. I didn't plan on doing this vlog today, but I'm like, let me just get it done. I'm sure you guys have seen me done my breakfast, and I'm about to dig in right now. How are you guys doing? How are you guys coping with the lockdown situation? I know it's crazy, isn't it? It's so crazy. So I decided to vlog for you guys today. I hope you guys are gonna enjoy. If you haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for? You better click on the subscribe button now, and also click on the notification bell as well, so you can always get notified every time I post videos. Okay? So yeah. So I'm about to dig in my breakfast right now before it gets really cold. And yeah. Because I can't go to McDonald's, obviously. I try to, make home McDonald's. I've got my bagel. Oh, I haven't got bacon. I run out of bacon and sausage. But I actually have sausage, but it's in a freezer. But I can't be bothered to get that out really. So yeah. So I'm just gonna dig in my breakfast right now. I'm having a Weetabix and fruit. I like my Weetabix or porridge with plenty of fruit. So in here, can you guys see that? So yummy and healthy. I've got banana, strawberries, apple and strawberry and grapes in my Weetabix. Also, I've got bagel, egg and cheese. Yummy. And also, I've got my cappuccino. Cheers. Also, I've got my glass of water. And this is me eating full breakfast right now. Okay. So how are you guys doing really? Is this a bad habit? Me eating and then chatting with you guys? I don't know. Yeah, I haven't got much to do today, to be honest, but I thought I'd bring you guys along with me. I'm gonna spend the day with me. Okay. So yeah. I've got a bit of cleaning to do. Got clothes to wash as well. And yeah. Got Shamey in the background. Give me the loops and that. She can come and say hello. Why are you shifting your cheek? Where are you shifting your beautiful cheeks to? Literally, Shamey has refused to eat lately because she's teething at the moment. It's been crazy, you guys. All she does is drink juice and breast milk. That's it. Our favorite yogurt, our favorite food. Literally, I've tried new things and she wouldn't even eat it. The only thing she would eat is macaroni. So I just cook that, put butter in it, put salt, a bit of salt, and just season it a bit. And yeah, she just picks that while I was watching iPad. And that's the only thing she will eat in a day. You guys, you want to come say hello? Come on, come say hello. Say hello to everybody. Hello, everybody. Say hello. Look at your hair. I done this hair yesterday, you guys, and look how it looks right now. Shamey is that girl. She doesn't like me to touch her hair at all. Like literally, she doesn't like me to touch her hair. So it's always a struggle, really, and I cannot be strangling her neck to plait her hair. I'm not that mom. I'm sorry. When she gets to that stage, she's gonna change, and yeah, I'll make sure I make her hair as per normal. But right now, she's not having it. Even to wash it is also a struggle as well, and I cannot be doing all them ceremony. Sis, I don't have that time. So yeah, Try some. Oh, okay. You did that for the camera. Hmm. Okay. Hmm. Shimmer, you haven't been eating this for a very long time. How come you're eating it now? Guys, I think I'll start putting the camera up now and pretend like I'm filming, and then that's gonna make her eat. I can't believe she's literally opening her mouth for you guys. Are you actually joking, cooks? It just makes me feel like a liar right now. Oh my god, you guys. This is a miracle. Nah, bruh. You've had that banana with you for a while now. You haven't eaten it, bruh. Ever. You guys, I cannot believe that she's actually eating this. About to wash Shemilara's clothes, and I'm going to show you guys quickly this very good trick. If you're a mom, you know, like they've got white clothes and they've got colored clothes as well. So this is what I use. I put this in at the bottom of the washing machine first before I put the clothes in. So literally I wash all our clothes at the same time. All the white and colored clothes, I wash them at the same time, because you know sometimes the clothes can get a bit tricky and they stain the white ones, but this doesn't happen when I put this at the bottom of the washing machine. And yeah, this is really helpful. I got it off of Amazon, and this is not the first time I'm using this is like my third pack, I think, or the second one, and it's got 40 sheets in it, and it's like proper bargain. So yeah, I'm gonna put the link for you guys just in case you want to grab one for yourself. Adults can use it as well. So yeah. So I just want to quickly put Shemi's egg together, just to make it a bit tidy. I know in the next hour it's gonna go all over the place again, but I just want to do this quickly. And you guys, this hair brush, guys, you need to get your hands on them. They are from Amina London, and this is my hair bonnet as well. It's from Amina London. Just keep my hair tidy on that. I'm gonna put the link for you guys. This hairbrush has been a lifesaver. It's so easy to wash, like literally, it helps to detangle the hair nicely, like with no struggle. Shamey doesn't like me to brush her hair, but this has been so good, honestly, you guys. Yeah, tell them. It's been good, isn't it? Look, you're wearing same matchy with I'm in London. Yay! I also use this to detangle our hair as well. This is so good, you guys. I'm gonna put all the link for all of these things in the description bar below for you guys. Also, I use aloe vera gel for our hair, and I also use this as well, hair buttercream. This is a black owned brand, and this has been is from iCob. This has been really good, you guys. As you can see, Shemi's hair is looking healthy. Yeah. So I'm just gonna put her hair into two bun, and that's it. I haven't even started, and she's already crying. Guys, this is the final look of the hair. Obviously, as you guys saw in the beginning that she was crying, literally she doesn't let me take my time in making her hair. I've just had enough. Honestly, but this is what we can get out of it though. So it looks a bit tidy than previously. In the next couple of minutes now, she's gonna start pulling everything out. Huh? Guys, Sammy is on my back. Look at you. Do you not know you're a big girl now? She wasn't having it after making the hair. Honestly, she's still in that right now, so she's a bit clingy, you know. So yeah, because I want to cook really quickly, so I just throw on my back and get things done, or else we're gonna be here till forever. So I just want to quickly throw something down in the kitchen. I'm making quick pasta. I call it jollof pasta. Okay, yeah. So I'm just making yeah, that's what I'm making. Really, it's nothing too fancy like that. I haven't got too much in the house, so I just want to make use of what I've got. Improvise. If yeah, I'm just improvising right now. So yeah, what am I gonna use to cook this? I've got a bit of chicken and I've got egg as well. I've got raw meat and all of that in the freezer downstairs. But you know, sis, I'm not about that life right now to start getting all them bits done. I'm gonna do that later this week. But right now I'm gonna make use of what I've got in the house. So I've got like 3 chicken left, which is good. And I'm gonna put egg in the pasta as well. So yeah, so I'm cooking jollof pasta. Let me show you guys what I'm using to make my jollof pasta. So I've got my pepper here and grounded pepper. I've got tomatoes and grounded pepper in there. I've got my oil, I've got 2 eggs, I've got salt, I've got dry thyme, I've got my Maggi there. I'm using no chicken. I've got onions. That's all I need to cook this pasta. And I've also got my chicken from the freezer, and I've got my pasta, and that's it. Voila, lunch is ready. Lunch is ready, you guys. Thank you. Look, Shimmy's been helping, isn't it, Cook? You've been helping Mama. Thank you. Is that more? Is that more? More. More. Is that more? Is that everything? Is it finished? Is it finished? Well done, my baby. Clap for yourself. That's it. It's all done now. Clap for yourself. You've done really well, isn't it? Well done. Well done. Let Mama finish, okay? Yeah, tell everybody I helped Mama. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Literally, that's the only thing Shemina will eat. And I try not to put on the dining table so it doesn't feel like she wants to eat like proper food. So she's lounging there and chilling and eating, which I'm happy about. I think I'm gonna end the vlog here today.